So today we're making cheese balls and I'm making a double batch. So if you only want to make half of this recipe, just make half of the ingredients. The first thing I do is I cut up the Velveeta into chunks and I throw it into my KitchenAid mixer where I blend it all up. Then I add the cream cheese. It's supposed to be 1 1/3 pouch, but honestly, when you use 2/3, you might as well just use it all. So 3 bricks went in and those 2 got blended. And you want to make sure it's nice and fluffy. After that, what you're going to be adding is the powdered garlic. I don't really know how much to add. That is something that we actually taste test for. So after it's blended, I call my husband and he taste tests it. He was not happy he was being videoed, but he did give it the thumbs up for it to be good to go. You take the chili powder, put it on a plate, form a patty for the cheese ball. I like to use gloved hands because it seems less messy to me. And then you just kind of pat it into the chili powder until it's completely covered. I even go on the sides so that I get it all completely covered. Once it's done, I put it into a press and seal wrap it all up and refrigerate it. I like to make it a couple days ahead of time for the garlic to settle.